Big earthquake in Oklahoma over the weekend, and now they're dealing with potential severe weather.
I was actually there. I got to experience it.
You did.
But I didn't feel it because I was in my car. I just left after complaining to my family that I'd missed the morning earthquake because it was at 3 a.m., right? 5 minutes after I got in my car, the earthquake happened, so I didn't even know what was going on. But it really shook things up right there, I tell you what. And we have a different type of event shaking things up in some parts of Oklahoma today. You are looking live at a thunderstorm that has put down at least one tornado. We thought a moment ago that we might be looking at a tornado on the ground. This is in southwest Oklahoma, by the way, in Caddo County, not too far from Fort Cobb, Oklahoma, where the tornado warning is in effect. The television news helicopter up there in the air live with the thunderstorm, trying to warn folks in Oklahoma about some impending danger. Again, we've had at least one, maybe two confirmed tornado touchdowns this afternoon. On our 6 o'clock broadcast tonight, I'll show you some video of one of those. We'll keep an eye on this feed. If we see another tornado, we'll go back to it. Let's talk about what's happening here locally, though. And the same storm system that is generating the severe weather up in Oklahoma is drawing in this Gulf moisture into our area. It's clouded our sky today, but only giving us a few little rain showers. Now, look right around Austin there on the storm profiler. A couple of showers have just started developing in the last few minutes right here in the metro area, so that might just wet roads enough to slow things down here at rush hour. We have a little larger area of rain and maybe a few isolated thunderstorms or bolts of lightning anyway up northeast of Burnett, southeast of Lampasas. That's all moving off to the north at the present time. Outside, boy, it sure looks like it could rain at any time. This is a live view from our tower camera. In fact, let me pan that back. There's the city skyline there. Pan this back to the north just a little bit, and there is the shower that we just showed you on the radar. That is just east of the city, right over Highway 290 east. All right. Here's our evening planning forecast. We're cloudy now. We'll stay cloudy. We'll continue with a chance for some passing rain showers through the evening. Temperature won't move much, 78 now to 73 degrees by 10 o'clock tonight. Low and mid-70s out in the hill country at this hour, 75 there in Llano. In the metro area, still have a 79 in South Austin and a 79 down in San Marcos. The airport hit 81 degrees this afternoon, and mainly upper 70s in our eastern counties at this moment. It is cloudy instead of clear. It is cloudy. It is 78. In the city, it is 80 degrees out at ABIA. Winds are 9 to 24 miles per hour, south-southeast, right off the Gulf of Mexico. A lot of moisture being pumped in here tonight. You saw sunset there at 5:38 tonight after Central Standard Time has gone back into effect now. Mold count at 918 today was medium, and that was all that was in the count, but that's going to go higher tomorrow. There's your cooler air, 48 in Amarillo, 77 in Abilene. When you get a clash of cool, dry air and warm, moist air, you generally see thunderstorms, and that's what we're seeing right now here in southwest Oklahoma against several rotating supercell thunderstorms there. A couple of them producing some tornadoes this afternoon. There is the Pacific front moving our way, and once the system coming in at us right now from the southwest, we got a little low right there spinning over Arizona. Once it comes our way, it's going to draw in some Canadian air. It's going to be a little bit colder over the next couple of days. Now, this low is going to move from here right across Kansas, so it's another one of those situations where we'll be left on the dry side of this system. Our computer model indicates some showers 7 o'clock in the morning. This is the front coming into the hill country at that hour. Here we are at 9:30, some showers, maybe a thunderstorm in our area. This is 12 noon tomorrow with the activity moving east, the front beginning to clear out in the hill country. Now, this area right here inside this orange line, slight risk for severe storms tomorrow, but it only includes our northeasternmost viewing area. 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, the clearing lines move through. We're seeing sunshine, and then we're cooler. Clouds may increase a little bit there on Wednesday in the cooler air. All right, let's get to the forecast for you tonight. Upper 60s for the most part, and one more warm day tomorrow before that front moves through and the system brings down the cooler air. 69 overnight, some passing rain showers. A shower, a thunderstorm possible in the morning hours tomorrow. Then the winds shift to the west, and tomorrow afternoon we're looking at about 80 with decreasing clouds. Then the cooler air lags behind, but it comes in tomorrow night. And so on Wednesday and Thursday, we are only in the 60s. Friday, too, Veterans Day. But then another warm-up this coming weekend and another chance of rain about a week from today.